Okay, well, this is the Morse machine that I just picked up today. And I think she needs a little bit of my help and passion. Let's see how she sews now. No, she wants to. I'll give her a little help here. Come on, baby. I think we might have lift off. I don't know. She's nice and chromy, but we might have something. Yeah, she wants to. Okay, well, let's see what happened after a little love.